The most annoying advice you get when you have joint pain or weak legs, even from doctors, is to take painkillers like Advil and get plenty of rest. But here is the shocking truth. Even if you take every painkiller in existence and rest for 20 hours a day, your legs will remain weak and your joints will continue to ache if you are missing 2 vital nutrients. Many seniors mistakenly believe that failing legs and stiff joints are just a natural part of getting older, but often that is not the case. Joint pain is frequently a symptom of a deeper health issue, and excessive rest actually backfires by creating weaker muscles and tighter, more painful joints. Furthermore, relying on painkillers increases your risk of heart attack, stroke, kidney damage, and stomach problems that can seriously shorten your life. In this video, I will reveal 2 vitamins that are safer and more effective than any pill to tackle the root cause of leg weakness and reverse it. The first essential nutrient we must discuss is omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil. Today, joint pain and muscle fatigue are exploding among seniors. Most people hear the word arthritis and think it is just simple wear and tear. However, a massive driver of joint stiffness and leg fatigue is chronic inflammation. Your immune system is overreacting, and your legs are paying the price. While painkillers work by temporarily blocking pain signals, they do nothing to stop the underlying fire of inflammation. In fact, regular use of these drugs can damage your gut health, leading to an imbalance that produces even more inflammatory compounds called cytokines. These travel through your blood and settle in your joints, making the pain worse over time. Before we move to the solution, if you are serious about reclaiming your mobility, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment saying, "Strong legs," below. I read every single comment and I want to support you on this journey. Unlike temporary pills, omega-3s work at the cellular level. They contain EPA and DHA, which change how your cells respond to stress. For seniors, omega-3s are a miracle. They improve calcium absorption to maintain bone density and enhance muscle protein synthesis, allowing you to rebuild the strength in your legs that you thought was gone forever. To get these naturally, try these 3 recipes. First, grilled salmon with lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs like parsley and dill. Second, a refreshing mackerel salad with diced cucumbers and olive oil. And third, sardine toast mashed with Greek yogurt and avocado on whole grain bread. These meals are not just food, they are medicine for your foundation. While omega-3s fight the fire of inflammation, there is a second critical piece of the puzzle that many people overlook. Collagen. Without collagen, your efforts to strengthen your legs will be incomplete. Collagen is the literal building block of your cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and bones. Think of it as the glue that holds your frame together. As we age, our natural collagen production drops, leading to that bone-on-bone grinding feeling in the knees and ankles. Collagen provides specific amino acids like glycine and proline that are essential for repairing the gut lining damaged by years of medication. Once your gut is healed, your body can finally absorb the nutrients needed to rebuild muscle mass and bone density. Recent clinical research has shown that seniors who supplemented with collagen peptides for just 12 weeks saw a massive improvement in mobility and leg strength. It doesn't just reduce pain, it helps grow lean muscle. You can easily bring this into your life with 3 powerful traditional recipes. First, homemade bone broth. Simmer beef or chicken bones with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to extract every drop of healing protein. Second, slow-cooked chicken feet soup with ginger and shiitake mushrooms, which is a collagen powerhouse. Third, a pork skin stew, which provides a gelatinous texture that directly supports your joint cushions. However, all these nutrients will be useless if you continue to abuse 2 specific types of pills. The first is the overuse of antibiotics. While life-saving for serious infections, taking them for minor issues wipes out the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria are responsible for producing vitamin K2, which tells calcium to go into your bones instead of your arteries. Without them, your bones become brittle and your legs become unstable. The second dangerous habit is the daily use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen. These drugs actually inhibit the production of proteoglycans, the molecules that keep your joint cartilage hydrated. By taking them daily, you are stopping your body from repairing the very damage you are trying to fix. The healthier path is to address the root cause through the nutrition we have discussed today. If you want to dive deeper, I have created a comprehensive guide with over 75 recipes specifically designed to kill leg weakness and rebuild joints, even if you are 85 years old. You can find the link in the pinned comment below, but don't go anywhere yet. In my next video, I am revealing a common breakfast mistake that 90% of seniors make, a mistake that is actively stealing calcium from your bones every single morning. This one 30-second swap can transform your strength in just weeks. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that life-changing reveal. See you in the next video.